Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to guide you through the process of selling your Bitcoin on Binance. So let's dive right in. Once you're logged into your Binance account, navigate to the Wallet section and then select Spot. This will display your portfolio, including any Bitcoin you may have purchased. Next, head over to the Trade section, as we can't directly withdraw Bitcoin to your bank account. Here, you'll need to trade it for a stablecoin or your desired currency. For example, you can trade Bitcoin for Euros, USD, or any other currency. Select the trading pair you prefer, such as Bitcoin to Euros. This will load a trading window, but don't worry about the details. Now, you'll see the option to sell your Bitcoin at the market price or set a limit price. Decide on the amount of Bitcoin you want to sell by adjusting the slider or entering the quantity manually. Once you're satisfied with your selection, click on the Sell button to execute the trade. Your Bitcoin will be converted into Euros or your chosen currency. To confirm the sale, navigate back to the Wallet section and select Spot. Here, you should see the Euros in your wallet balance. From here, you can withdraw the funds to your bank account by clicking on the Withdraw button. And there you have it. Your Bitcoin has been successfully sold on Binance. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and feel free to comment down below. Thanks for watching.